On Saturday, the Auxi Ignite Annual Exhibition 2026 was organized by Auxilium Girls School Agartala school premises. The event was attended by IPS officer Abala, Ramesh, Reddy and other dignitaries.
Temple is located in Khorang, the beautiful town of girls.
Designed to foster scientific temperament, creativity and leadership, the exhibition featured innovative models and projects spanning science, mathematics, environment and arts presented by students from nursery through class 12.
Today, I welcome you all for the Auxi Ignite by Auxilium Girls School. It's the annual school exhibition. So nice to see very lovely and enthusiastic kids. I appreciate Auxilium Girls School's management for organizing this exhibition. So it widens the horizons of the kids out of the classrooms also, because tomorrow they are the future citizens, and they have to understand the experiments in their life as well as how the society functions. So this all comes through practical exhibitions and all. I appreciate their encouragement to organize that in the very early beginning of the school career. So that helps them, like they are away from the examination pressures. Even parents also can participate and encourage them to see whatever best available in the society, and that will help people to become good leaders, good scientists, good officers, and good journalists, teachers, and good farmers also. So good citizens end of the day. So I wish all the best to the Auxilium's team as well as all the kids. My best wishes are there.
Our Tripura traditional dish. In this we explore a memento.
Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.